Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a YouTube channel with Google, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To create a YouTube channel with Google, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the YouTube website. In the top right corner, click on the Sign In button. If you don't have a Google account, you need to create one. Click on the Create Account option. Follow the prompts to enter your information and set up your Google account. Once signed in, return to the YouTube homepage. In the same top right corner, click on your profile picture. A drop-down menu will appear. Select your channel from the options presented. You'll be prompted to create a channel. Enter the name you want for your channel. You can also choose to use your Google account name. Click Create Channel to proceed. Now your channel is set up. You can customize it by clicking on Customize Channel. Here, you can add a profile picture and channel art. You can also fill out the About section with a description. Be sure to click Save to apply all changes. Next, consider adding links to your social media or website. To upload your first video, click on the camera icon with a plus sign. Choose Upload Video from the drop-down menu. Select a video file from your device. Fill in the required fields like title, description, and tags. Choose the appropriate privacy setting for your video. Click Publish when you are ready to make your video live. Your channel is now active and ready for content. Explore YouTube's features to enhance your channel further. Consider visiting the YouTube Creator Academy for more tips on growing your channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.